Good day sa ating lahat, no? Sa mga nanonood dyan. Hi, I'm Miles. I'm from Holyfit. And kasama natin si...
Jose, I'm also from Holy Fit. Jose ata yung pangalan ko. The founder and CEO. And this is our fitness coach and the guy that handles a lot of the creative work.
Yan. Thank you po sa introduction, no?
And graduate nga pala to ng fitness coaching sa NU.
Laguna, yes.
Laguna.
Yes.
Laguna, represent LA.
Yes.
Batoy ba yun?
Hindi. Okay na yun.
So, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang pinaka-common injuries na nangyayari sa sports test. Bakit importante ito?
Pang malaman natin yung mga common injuries. Mahalaga kasi, una sa lahat, kapag alam natin to, maaari natin to ma-prevent o maiwasan na mangyari. At kung nangyari man, at least alam natin kung ano yung gagawin natin para mais or gumaling man o anong pwede nating mga possibilities na gawin.
Siyempre, nagtatrabaho kayo, if you're in HR or you're the lead ng team nyo, tapos na-injure ang employee of the month nyo, kagaya ni Miles, kasi dak-dak ng dak-dak. Right? Siyempre, gusto natin iwasan yun. Kasi the sports is to build camaraderie, pero biglang na-injure, di makakatrabaho for 1 week. Di ba? Alright, so what is the number one thing here? Well, hindi naman, this is not in order of most injuries ata, but these are the common injuries.
Ang una ay yung sprain and strains. Ang strains ay strains to So una ay hamstring strains. Then with sprains, ito ay yung ankle sprains.
Ankle sprain is an extremely common injury due to the quick changes in directions. Pakitaan mo nga. Yun. Kita ba siya doon? Next would be hamstring strain. So, saan yung hamstring? Dito. Yun, sa likod. And, groin strain. And, yun. And obviously, calf strain. Yun. So, how do we prevent these things? We highly recommend, guys, ang tawag niyan ay prehab. Right?
Alright.
Pre-hab.
Hub.
Yun. So, instead of
Hub.
mag-pre.
Hub.
Ayun. So, make sure that you take care of your muscles. Training ka muna. Kasi marami mga weekend warriors. So, hindi sila nag-workout pero puro exercises. Yun nga pala. Sports. Yun nga pala. Magsa-sports bigla pero 2 years na sila hindi nag-workout. May injure sila. Second type of injury is?
Knee injuries or knee sprains.
Ayun. Ano yung mga usual common dyan?
Usual nun ay yung tinatawag, common na yan sa mga basketball, yung ACL, MCL, no? Partly nandito sa knees.
Yun. Medyo masakit yun actually. Meniscus tear din or... kaya mo ba sabihin yan? Try mo lang.
Patellofemoral pain syndrome.
Tama! Hindi, mali na naman. Patellofemoral... I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Patellofemoral pain syndrome. Patella? Femoral. I hope I'm right. But based on my anatomy, I think I am. So make sure, guys, na
Hub.
Next.
Shin splints.
Saan ba yun?
Part yan dito sa bano.
Yon. Okay. So one thing you could do, kahit tumatakbo ka, shin splints, is toe raises. Besides the overuse injuries of shin splints, we also have tendinitis. So itis is, I believe, inflammation. Oh my God, I hope nurses and doctors, I said it right. Google na natin. Tendon, meaning your tendons. Saan ba yung mga tendons natin?
Usually, yun yung muscle to bones. Yun yung nag-hold dun sa muscle tsaka sa bone, yung tendons.
So tendinitis like Achilles, patellar, rotator cuff, tennis elbow. So yun, ano yung mga pinaka-common sports sa sports test? Wala.
Usually, basketball, volleyball, pwede na rin yung badminton. Pwede na rin siguro yung indoor soccer o tinatawag na futsal. At saka ping pong. Yan, table tennis pala yung ping pong.
Same thing.
Yes.
Same difference. All right. Those are the usual sports that we do. Guys, tip ko lang sa inyo is hire professionals, hire the best, hire Holy Fit kasi we've had officiating and seen them before na hinayaan lang ng officials and then nag-escalate. Siyempre, ayaw natin mangyari yun sa sports na mag-escalate yung mga departments, nag-aaway or yung mga different sites, which actually we've heard naging nightmare yun. And hire medics, guys. Hindi, non-negotiable kung walang medics. Kasi mahirap na pag-injured. Obviously, para siyang insurance, we need it, but we hope we will never use it.
So yung next injury, ito naman ay fracture o yung broken bones na tinatawag.
Let's just make sure na hindi mangyayari yun. This could happen through a fall or nadaganan yung tao, which I've seen before. And yun, just like what I said previously, medics are non-negotiable. Next would be concussions. Next would be
Concussions.
so ito, we don't want that, guys. Head-to-head collision. We make sure, yun nga, that we take care of ourselves, all right? So sometimes it's not important to win. Yeah, I mean, talaga, the most important thing is safety. The next one is?
Joint dislocation or pwede rin yung shoulder dislocation and finger dislocation.
Here are the contributing factors specific to Sports Fest. First, sinabi ko na yun kanina.
Weekend warrior syndrome.
So, ibig sabihin yan is puro weekends ka lang nag-workout. Alright, you should be doing that on the weekdays as well, kahit once a weekday, and then weekends then. Next would be?
Lack of consistent training.
Consistency is key. Next
is insufficient warm-up and cool-down.
Tama yun. Dapat talaga kailangan yun. Do I have to expound? Hindi na siguro.
Next is competitive spirit outpacing fitness levels.
Ayun. So I pointed into that earlier, right? Sometimes it's not important to win. It's important to take care of your health and your teammates' health. Kasi, I mean, gets ko yung bragging rights, pero mas importante yung health and having fun. Next would be?
Inadequate equipment or footwear.
Ayun. Make sure you have enough equipment, that's for sure. And hindi luma yung mga sapatos. And last would be?
Age-related changes.
Ayun. So coming back to the weekend warriors, a lot of people, lalo na when they were college athletes, they still think they're college athletes, pero 10 years later, 20 years later, iba na pala. So let's make sure, guys, that we take care of our health. We prehab, and we hire Holy Fit for Sports Fest.
Hire na kami. Book na.
I hope that has helped. And if you have any questions more about anything Sports Fest, let us know. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you at the next
Video.
Be Joe.